Hi guys, Jessica here. I am back as promised. I will show you the second part of my previous video regarding MS Office forms. But before I'll start, please consider in subscribing to my channel or liking or commenting and sharing to people that might benefit to this tutorial. So there's a button at the bottom. Please subscribe. Thank you very much in advance. Okay, so if you remember, this is a demographic survey form I've created in my previous video. So right now I'm in a preview mode and I am in a computer a preview, and also I just want to mention that MS Forms can also be visible from your any mobile phones. So if you look at it, if I click mobile, this is what it looks like from the mobile phone. Okay, so if I'll go to, let me hit computer again. So let me click the back button. So that will take me to editing mode. So on the top right corner, you will see the preview, the theme, and the share function there. And also there's a three dots called ellipsis. So I've already showed you the theme, how to insert the background to my survey. I've also changed theme color from green to purple. So I just want to scroll down a bit. If you notice, there is the add new button. It is now purple as opposed to green. That is a theme. Now there's also share and settings. So I'm going to show you what is settings and share. So the if you click the ellipsis, it will take you to the settings function, and here it is. So right now the settings who can fill out this form is from people in my organization. People from my organization can respond to this survey, and also it will record their name and their email address. I can show you that later on. So really, the question about what is your name will be irrelevant to your. It will be irrelevant because their name and their email address will automatically be recorded to their response. And if I will show you the response, how it looks like, this is what it looks like for the response, right? And if you export the Excel, this is where you can view the email address and the name of your respondent. Okay, so let me go back to question here. Okay, so the settings again. Other option is option for responses. So automatically it will, if you want your survey to accept response, then do not remove the check mark here. But what I want to show you is the start date and end date. This functionality is not required, but personally, I really like this option because you know why? It will you can schedule when you want to make this survey live. So for example, if I want to make this survey live today at 3 p.m., then I can make last minute changes before 3 p.m. before it goes to live. So you will have to check the box start date. I'm going to uncheck that for now. And then in date, you can also uh, put an in date how long the survey will be running. Let's say you want the survey will be running for 2 weeks, then definitely you can set the date and the time as well. Okay, and then the customized thank you message. I actually like this. Um, if you have this unchecked, what you can see is your response was submitted. After your respondents will hit submit, then this is what they're getting. Your response was submitted. Now you can definitely customize that to your own messaging. So right now I've added my own messaging, which is thank you for participating in our demographic survey and blah blah blah, right? So that's what it is in customized thank you message. And then the next option is notification. Now if you want your respondent to receive an email receipt to what they responded, then you can check this box. And if you want to get the email notification every time there's a response from this survey, then you can definitely check this box as well. But think about this: if you have 5,000 people or employee in your organization, you might not want to check this. You don't want to receive 5,000 email, right? So think before you check this box. Okay, so then the next, that's all to it in settings. Let me show you the share button. So share is more like a permission. So right now, it is set to only people in my organization can respond. But you can definitely also share this. You can choose anyone with a link and respond. So anyone in the world can respond if you want this, if you want to choose this option. But of course, depending on what survey you will be releasing, if there's something confidential, you might not want to do that. So it's important that you already thought that who should uh, be able to respond to this survey. And of course, this is the link of your survey. You can copy and paste it somewhere in your dashboard. And the same thing, this is you can click the link here, copy the link, and you can also copy the through QR code, and you can embed the link if you want to embed this into a certain site, and email the link as well. Okay, so but what I want to show you though is share to collaborate. I like to emphasize on this. So right now I've added or I choose specific people in my organization can view and edit. Why this matter? Because whoever you've added here is that can also view the responses. So this is the responses will look like again, right? So you might want to think about that before you will add anybody to view the result as well. So right now, these are the options that you can choose. And again, I will not recommend to use the first so option because again, people, if you choose the second option, can you imagine 5,000 employees who can view the results? A survey is mostly like anonymous, right? You don't want to uh, s- share the results to everyone in the company. But you might want to add, so that's why I've added the specific people. I choose specific people. But you might, it's a good idea that to add and maybe another two other two people as your backup in case I'm away and the other person is also away, then at least there's three people who can pull out the data if someone will need the data, right? And so if you want to add more people, you can just type their name and email address, and you will see here they're like there. If they have a picture, then you can definitely see their name here, though who can access this survey or can view the result most likely. And you can see it here right now. If I click my name on it, I can see my picture and also my name. And if there are more people, then you can see it here, right? But again, I don't recommend to add a lot of people in here because it's just like what the saying says, you don't want to add too many cooks. All right, so that's all it is in MS Office form. And I remember also that I want to show you, I just want to explain briefly what is section. I did promise that. So section is really, it's more beneficial when you have a long survey and you want to spirit that into a next page. So in this case, I've added a section called a specific question, and I've added this two questions. So if I will preview that, this is how it looks like. It will give you the next button that you can click on, and this is the second page of your question. So for example, if I respond to that and hit submit, this is the customized messaging that I've added earlier. All right, so that's it, folks. I hope you like the video, this mini tutorial. And if you like this video, please like, comment, and share, and also subscribing in my channel if you haven't done so. I do have different contents. I also have I'm sharing some recipe, my good recipe in my channel, and a few other things. So please stay tuned. There will be more contents to come. Thank you, and bye for now.